Google Sheet integration with Messenger Bot. Google Sheet integration helps you export data from Messenger Bot to Google Spreadsheets. To start exporting data, click the Google Sheet from the sidebar menu. This will lead you to the page. Select your page on the Select menu and continue. This will be the page that will be exported. After selecting the page, click the template you want to use in exporting data. Now click on the Click URL and Start button. This will open a new tab on your browser containing the Google Spreadsheets page. Click on the file, then make a copy, then click OK to make a copy of the file. Click on the cell and paste your copied URL. You can right-click it and select Paste. Now, press Enter to begin exporting data from Messenger Bot. That's it, your data is exported to Google Spreadsheet.